What's up guys, it's Andrew here with JTAM, making another video. This one's 3D printing, but this one's a little more educational on how you can help out in today's world. So let's go ahead and get started. So what I'm doing is I'm going and printing some of the straps to help with the surgical masks wearing on nurses' ears. So I printed one, gave it to a paramedic friend of mine. He wore it over his 24-hour shift because they have to wear the masks at all time now. Said it was great. So what I decided is I'm going to print a whole bunch of them and then let him take them on his runs and hand them out at the hospitals he stops at. Pretty much I'll show you kind of what it looks like. So here on my Ender 3, that's how many I put on there. Now if we walk over there, shine a light, you can start to see him. It says beat COVID, and so that's my big positivity for the day. Now if you want to help, you can comment on the video and I can tell you where you can ship them, or if you want to ship them to me, I can help distribute them. If you have a printer, I will put the thingiverse link in the description. I figured this is a chance for all of us to help out, and if you have any questions or anything like that, feel free to ask. Otherwise, let's continue on and try to beat this COVID, and have a good day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, bye.